Greetings and salutations. We are here today representing MCN, only the best roller coaster club in the world. We're here today at SeaWorld, my home park. One of my favorite parks. We are here to check out Expedition Odyssey. I'm excited. We were here not too long ago. We can put a link here or there or somewhere to the hard hat tour that we did, but now we get to experience the ride. So I'm excited. Let's go. We're one of the first people here. We're gonna try to be one of the first people to ride it. So let's go.
Welcome, and get ready for the ultimate adventure. You're about to step into the construction site of the world's first fully immersive Arctic motion theater. Step into the future of exploration and prepare for an experience unlike anything the world has ever seen. This revolutionary attraction is set to redefine adventure, unlocking the secrets of the Arctic like never before. Powered by the energy of the ocean, this groundbreaking vehicle seamlessly transitions between air and water, giving you the freedom to soar above icy landscapes and plunge into the hidden depths of the sea. From breathtaking aerial views to thrilling underwater discoveries, this is your chance to witness the planet's most remote and mysterious regions in a way that will leave you awestruck. Are you ready to take the leap? The future of exploration starts now.
Lockers. Here we go. We are in line. We are first to go. Ride this bad boy. Let's go.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
So this is going to be our queue line here.
This is cool. This looks way different than we were in here last time. Alright, here we go. First people on the ride. Unfortunately, we can't film, so I'll let you know how it is.
The Arctic is the heartbeat of the ocean, a vital force sustaining life and shaping the land. Each element plays an essential role in this delicate balance. The frozen landscape is a vibrant ecosystem where whales swim along icy cliffs. On land, plants and animals thrive, withstanding the bitter cold. This is a land where towering icebergs drift through a vast sea. The expansive tundra stretches for thousands of miles, imposing mountains cutting through a blanket of snow. As night falls, the aurora borealis paints the sky with brilliant color. In this untouched wilderness, we are surrounded by the Arctic's sheer scale and beauty, forever preserved in its pristine state. On this breathtaking expedition into the Arctic, you will meet many fascinating creatures. Marvel at iconic polar bears as they navigate their frozen realm with graceful strength. Swim with mighty whales, their songs echoing through the icy depths. Watch as playful seals dive beneath the water's surface. Each animal plays a crucial role in the harmony of the Arctic ecosystem. Our team of intrepid explorers and researchers studying the tundra ecosystem scouted ahead, designing an exhilarating trek. In this breathtaking adventure, you will experience the untamed and majestic wilds of the Arctic itself.
Prepare to board the Odyssey Mark I, designed to travel seamlessly between air and water. When the doors open in front of you, please make your way to the loading area. Before taking your seat, store all carry-on items in the compartment provided. Loose footwear is not allowed on this experience. Please secure them with your carry-on items for the duration of your flight. Long hair or loose clothing that may extend below the seat must be tied or stowed. Supervising companions must be seated next to the guests they're accompanying. Each companion may accompany up to 2 guests. Only when instructed, fasten your seatbelt from left to right. For smaller passengers that do not reach the blue line on the seat back, place the buckle through the white loop located in the center of the seat. Then, fasten the seatbelt. When instructed, pull straight up on the red tab to ensure the seatbelt is buckled. Please keep the red tab visible so our operators can confirm the seatbelt is secure. Guests who have a fear of heights or who are prone to motion sickness should speak to an operator to bypass the ride and proceed directly to the Arctic animal habitat. In just a few moments, you'll experience Expedition Odyssey. Once the doors open, please make your way to the loading area.
And place all your loose carry-on cargo into the compartments against the wall.
All right, thank you. Touch the cold wall. It's so cold. Real ice. So the ride dumps you out into the same habitat that we've seen last time. Look, the whales in water are back. Okay, so the ride was amazing. That was pretty cool. That's definitely for all ages. You can bring your whole family on this ride. It's not just, adults. It's for everybody. It's amazing. So cool. The whole thing spins you around into the dome and then spins you back. So good. Oh, we got a blanket. Look at that. Okay, so we wrote it. We got a blanket and a button that says we were the first ones to ride, which we were. We were the very first people to ride, the first ride to go. It was so cool. It's definitely a huge family ride. You can bring everybody in the family for this one. It's like soaring at Disney. So you don't get motion sickness at all. It was very good. It was very smooth. It didn't move around at all. It was a very good ride. So, which it opens tomorrow for Platinum Pass holders, then Gold, and so on and so forth. And then it grand opens in a couple days, so everybody will be getting to ride it. I highly suggest it. And they told us we could stay in the park, ride some more rides, and we can ride it again. So I'm gonna go ride it 2 or 3 more times. Let's go. And look, they kept the sign. We love this sign. Look at this. These are all the people that got to ride it first. We are
Oh, really? They got all the energy back. What the heck? Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, go.
So pretty.
Look, and he's still here, hanging out. He's been here forever. Well, you're good, you're good.
I came at a really good time. These penguins were so active. They were saying that they were kind of just, hanging out. And then I guess when they saw everyone coming, they started getting really playful. So look at them playing over there. I could watch them all day, guys. I love penguins. One day, I'll be a penguin myself.
So not only with the whales, they got penguins as well. Look at them go. Hardly ever get to see them playing around like this. Kodak moment.
They're so big. Yellow big.
Just want to take one home.
I do. I've been saying that for years, but everyone tells me that they're terrible pets.
Well, you'd have to keep your air condition down all the way.
No. Well, and their poops are like explosive, which is not great. Unless you put them in like a if I didn't have a mirror to look in all the time.
Baby. I see a baby. The little babies. I say little, but I mean he's the size of a big dog, so. You should see Daddy. Daddy Garfield's huge. So the cool thing about this ride is they have 2 sides. So it means that 15 people on this side and 15 people down below. So 30 people can ride in this one theater at a time. They have 2 theaters back there. So they have theater, this is theater gold.
Unfortunately, there's been an unexpected snowstorm out on the runway, and all flights have been temporarily delayed. We do apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. We do expect this to be a brief delay.
And that's gonna do it for riding Expedition Odyssey. It was so great. It was a good ride. I thought it was gonna be a little longer. It definitely missed you a little bit, but a little miss never hurt nobody. And then you get to walk through the best air-conditioned place in the park. And we got these cool bags. Was the first person to ride it. Hey, it's an awesome ride for the family. Definitely should come down here and ride it. It opens tomorrow for pass holder previews and goes on till I'm pretty sure the 9th when it opens to the public. So if you like what we do, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so when we go on more crazy adventures. Big shout out to SeaWorld for inviting us. It was amazing. We can't wait to see what SeaWorld brings next. Later days.